In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear site permissions when you close Microsoft Edge. This is a simple privacy setting that helps make sure websites don't keep unnecessary access or permissions saved on your browser after you're done using them. If you ever want a cleaner, more private browsing experience, this is a really useful setting to know. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three dots menu. From there, select Settings. This will open the main Edge settings page where you can manage privacy, appearance, security, and browsing options. Next, in the left-hand menu, click Privacy, Search, and Services. This is the section where Microsoft Edge keeps most of its privacy controls and browser data settings. Scroll down through the page until you find the section called Clear Browsing Data. In that area, click Clear Browsing Data on Close. This option lets you choose what Edge should automatically delete every time you close the browser. Now you'll see a list of data types you can toggle on or off. Find Site Permissions and switch it on. Turning this on tells Edge to clear site permissions automatically when the browser closes. That means things like access settings and permissions tied to websites won't continue carrying over longer than you want them to. Once that toggle is enabled, you can simply close the Settings tab. Your change is now saved automatically, and Microsoft Edge will handle site permissions the way you just configured it. This is a quick but powerful way to keep your browser more private and reduce unwanted website access over time. If you want more tips like this, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.